computer virus has built armies of robotic soldiers and taken control of our world. But there is still one place we can be safe. The domed city of Corinth. And the only hope we have left is... Power Rangers of the air, getting gear! Power Rangers of the air, we stand together! Power Rangers of the air, getting gear! Power Rangers of the air, get in gear!
Previously on Power Rangers RPM.
Still out gates. Raise the shields.
What if there are people still out there, sir? Hold it right there. You're looking for Corinth City. Fortunately for you, I can take you there. Picking up Eternal Vengeance hardware, sir.
So you're aware that you have robotic technology throughout your body, but you have no idea how it got there.
But we're gonna have to activate Series Black.
Yes, but we don't have an operator that can handle the Series Black bio hardware. Where are we supposed to find one now?
I want to know where you're going.
I honestly hope that you know what you're doing with this, because I cannot see anything impressive about this guy at all.
Impressive enough for you? You have to join us.
Well, now that all depends. Do I get to pick my own color?
So, here we are. Home sweet home.
We call it the garage.
See if you can guess why.
Yours?
All 700 horses.
Cute toy.
These are the real toys.
Where did all this stuff come from?
It came from me. Come in. I'll show you. 3 years before the Vengeance virus attack, I was the leader of a research team developing exoskeletal robotic suits to amplify human strength and speed. We were attempting to harness the human body's natural electrical output to prolong the suit's battery life when we had a breakthrough. The discovery of a universal bioelectric field, an unseen energy grid that connects the life force of all living things. Manipulating this field allowed for unimagined advancements in technology, including these. The Ranger Prototype Series Covert Infantry Biosuits.
Right. Because nothing says covert like bright red, yellow, and blue spandex.
That is not spandex!
Doc K can get a little defensive about his work.
The material is a self-assembling nanofiber formed with an intercellular shape memory alloy.
My mistake. Now, is that machine washable or strictly dry clean only?
You've seen this in action. You know what it can do.
Yes, and it's all very impressive. But I don't belong here. I'm not cut out to be your black power dude.
Ranger Operator Series Black.
Whatever. I'm no superhero. Besides, I got places to go.
Promises to keep.
Something like that.
Now, as I seem to remember, the only place you have to go is back into that cell where we found you.
And just how long you think that's gonna hold me, blue boy?
Guys, forget him. This chump would never make it through basic testing anyways.
Testing? What testing?
The acute physical and mental skills needed to operate the Ranger bio-hardware are extremely rare.
Three-dimensional spatial orientation.
Motor reaction and adaptation capability. Anatomical stress resistance.
Field motion recovery. Panic control reflexes.
Liquid immersion capabilities.
Horizon line recovery time.
Anatomical flexibility.
Disruptive motor coordination.
Basic lung capacity.
Environment resistance.
His scores are too high to measure.
His bionic implants are giving him the extra reflex and coordination skills.
I don't care. Sorry, I just don't trust this guy.
Look, I don't trust him either, okay? But it's not like we have a whole line of other qualified candidates just stretching around the corner now, do we?
We have no choice. Series Black needs to go operational before the city's defenses are breached again.
This is my favorite part!
The Vengex Generation 9 amphibious attackbot.
Oh, a masterpiece! Sweet!
The hydraulic circulatory system will allow it to enter Corinth through the city's water supply. Once inside the city, there's nothing that can stop it. Not even the Power Rangers.
Corinth City. Self-sustained, self-contained living environment. Everything's recycled, everything's programmed. Even the weather.
I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to show me what it is I'd be fighting to protect.
I'm trying to show you why it's worth fighting for.
You're trying to make me care.
Look, once your DNA is bonded to the Series Black morpher, it's permanent. We'd be trusting you with all of this.
Don't. You can't.
Why not?
I'm just not that kind of person, okay? Someone trusted me to save them once, and
You're still out there looking for them, even if you can't remember who they are. You're the kind of person I want saving me.
Come on, get under the umbrella.
So, you'll do it?
I'll do it. One condition.
Oh, you have conditions now.
Just one.
Hey, guys, look, I'm sorry. I would love to stay. I really would, but I got some work for this little group. I don't know if you've heard of them. They're called the Power Rangers.
Watch your back, Ziggy!
Hi, Ziggy Grover, reporting for Judy. I'm a huge fan. No, coming here for the big thing. Oh, there you go. Hey? Hey.
Okay, so one good reason we're bringing this guy with us?
He can make shadow puppets.
Series Black DNA morph bonding sequence initiated. Series Black online.
RPM! Get in gear!
Congratulations.
How does it feel?
It's a little tight, but yeah.
Oh, yeah. That has got to be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my... Wait. Don't move. Hold that pose. It's perfect. Okay, ready?
Hey, man.
Red, squeeze a little closer to black. Yeah. That's perfect. That's great. Oh, no.
This is just embarrassing.
Yellow, your eyes were closed. Let's try another one.
Can you even see my eyes?
Black, can I see a smile?
What
Yeah,
are
you're
you
a
talking
Power Ranger,
about?
so have fun
Come
with it.
on, take
okay,
the
ready?
shot.
1, 2, 3, Rangers! Oh, I'm kind of ruining a special Ranger moment here, aren't I? Maybe stepping on tradition just a bit. Totally cool. I understand. Just pretend like I'm not even here. There is one thing I gotta know. Mm-hmm. What's with the spandex? Talk about sensitive.
Would it be a cliche for me to point out that you missed a spot?
Welcome aboard. No turning back now, is there?
Okay, so you got Summer's room over there. Our room's right up that way. Do you sleep with that thing?
Hey, what if I slept? Ziggy, do you know a way out of the city?
Out? You mean out? Out.
Just tell me.
Well, they vent propane gas from Station 19 at dawn, but you've only got like 2 seconds in between burns. Dylan, wait! Dylan! You can't just go. Dylan!
I'm inside the city walls! Excellent. Release the shield disruption mist. I'm sending in an entire fleet of grinders.
Some kind of substance dispersed from inside the city is disrupting the shield frequency. We have multiple panel breaches.
Dylan.
My car.
I've traced the source. It's coming straight from Sector 4 water plant.
But my car. Nobody touches my car.
Right, well, that's gonna have to wait. Okay.
This is a signal of human origin, broadcasting on all AM, FM frequencies from the domed city of Corinth. 71 degrees, 5 minutes, 52 seconds north longitude, 42 degrees, 20 minutes, 46 seconds west latitude.
You guys just keep getting uglier.
You're too late! I already released the mist and a battalion of grinders is flooding into the city! Attack!
Engine cell, activate! Nitro sword!
My grinders!
And you're next!
Not so fast!
Street Saber!
Zip Charger!
Turbo cannon! Fire!
You think you've won? The other grinders will keep you busy while I take this city apart!
Let's move!
He's traveling in the city's main water line, going right into the harbor.
On our way! ETA, 3 minutes!
Run, humans!
Rangers, sensors are detecting movement ahead of you. Grinders.
They're blocking our way to the harbor! Oh! We're surrounded!
Oh boy. Energy level's dropping!
Burst attack! Levels reaching critical!
Energy blast! There are too many of them!
No! They're pinning us down!
Guys, we're almost out of juice!
They're in trouble. What do we do? Doc, can you tap me into the feed for this radio transmission?
Don't ever call me Doc.
Just tell me how to do it. I want Dylan to hear it.
Rotate attack! We need to conserve energy!
I'm out!
Me too! Summer! Watch your six!
I can't! They just keep coming!
Calling for backup! Repeat! Calling for backup!
They're relentless!
Flip behind you! Scott behind you!
Watch out!
Get out of the way! Summer, no! Hang on!
Okay! Scott!
Hey!
RPM! Get in gear! I hate grinders.
If you scratch that, I'm gonna make you wish you never came back.
You take care of Big Ugly. I'll keep the grinders busy.
But Dylan!
There must be hundreds of them!
I know. Vengex should have sent more.
All right, let's do it.
Right!
Calling sword. We're in. High octane Megazord.
He's firing!
Deflect. Look out!
You want some? Bad idea. Who's next?
Come on, hurry!
Hold on!
We can't!
He's way too big!
I've got an idea.
Initiate weapon.
Super Saber! Nitro Sword!
Punch it! This is it!
Great!
Let's go!
Enemy is down! Down and out!
Please stop that.
Dylan, come in. Are you there?
Ranger Black, give me a status update now.
I'll be fine.
No, I mean give me a status update on my car.
Ranger Black, out.